Now, this particular type of chart is called a stacked line chart. Okay, and you actually end up measuring the widths, the heights, and the widths between. For the women, you measure the widths between them, and for the men, it's the height. So you don't count something twice. So, for example, the number of colors of grease awarded to men was in 1930. So we see something that's just a little bit under one, which makes it 75,000. And for in 1930 for women, the women is the pink, and you don't measure the top line, you actually measure that distance between them, which is about about half, or 0.5, 50,000. So you don't measure the top line, you measure that width between them. Okay. In 1990, the number of degrees awarded to men was, so you see 1990 there, awarded to men was approximately 574,000. To women was, you do the width of it between those two lines there, and you get 561,000. In 1980, more men than women received degrees. However, it swapped, it changed. In 2000, more women than men received degrees. During what decade did the number of degrees increase the most? I would say in the 60s. That's when it increased the most. Compare the totals of degrees awarded between 1950 and 2000. And the total number of degrees, you'll measure from the top to the bottom there in 1950. So you get 444,000. And the total number of degrees was, in 2000, was 1,220,000. And that's how you read that chart there.